That was the best thing ever. Ever. We're in New York, and I just got to do a segment on the kitchen for Food Network US, and I'm like still kind of buzzing about it. It was so much fun. We're at the San Gennaro festival.
Just happened to be on though, we're here. Total fluke. It smells like tomato sauce and cannolis. Tomato sauce and cannolis. It doesn't work when we get lost, right?
I just saw it come from away,
Oh my god, I definitely look like I've been crying.
and I've never been more proud to be a Canadian. Okay, that's all. That's it. C'est fini. Until next time, New York.